Aleppo pepper does not burn first. It arrives slowly. Where many chili peppers announce themselves with instant heat, Aleppo pepper takes a different route. It opens with fruit, warmth, and subtle sweetness before heat quietly follows. This delay is not accidental. It is the result of geography, tradition, and restraint. Aleppo pepper comes from the city of Aleppo in northern Syria, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in human history. The spice reflects that history. Complex, layered, and patient. Botanically, Aleppo pepper comes from capsicum annuum, the same species as bell peppers, jalapenos, and paprika. What separates it is not species, but processing. The peppers are harvested fully ripe, when they are deep red and rich in sugars. They are then partially sun-dried, de-seeded, crushed, and lightly salted. This process preserves moisture while preventing spoilage, creating a chili flake that is soft, oily, and aromatic rather than dry and brittle. That oil matters. It carries flavor. It slows oxidation. It changes how heat behaves on the tongue. Scoville-wise, Aleppo pepper sits between 8,000 and 10,000 Shu. Hotter than paprika, milder than cayenne, but numbers miss the point. Aleppo pepper does not spike heat. It spreads it. Flavor-wise, Aleppo pepper is fruity, slightly tangy, gently sweet, and warm. There are hints of tomato, raisin, and sun-dried red pepper. The heat builds slowly, stays moderate, and fades clean. There is no sharp burn. No bitterness, no chemical edge. This balance is why Aleppo pepper is used generously. It is not a warning spice. It is a seasoning spice. Historically, Aleppo pepper thrived because Aleppo sat at the crossroads of trade routes connecting Anatolia, Mesopotamia, and the Levant. Spices moved through the city, but local food culture valued harmony over dominance. Aleppo pepper fit perfectly. It enhanced dishes without overpowering them. In traditional Syrian cuisine, Aleppo pepper appears everywhere. On grilled meats, in stews, on vegetables, mixed with olive oil, sprinkled on flatbreads, folded into yogurt. It is not reserved for heat lovers. It is for flavor builders. One of Aleppo pepper's defining traits is its compatibility with fat. Olive oil, butter, lamb fat, yogurt, and tahini all amplify its character. The chili dissolves into fats rather than clashing with them. This makes it ideal for finishing dishes. A final sprinkle adds warmth, color, and aroma without altering structure. Aleppo pepper is also culturally tied to generosity. Dishes seasoned with it are meant to be shared. The spice invites rather than challenges. Nutritionally, Aleppo pepper contains capsaicin, carotenoids, and vitamin A. Its antioxidant compounds come from both the pepper itself and the sun-drying process. While used in small amounts, its contribution to flavor satisfaction can reduce the need for excess salt or fat. From a sensory perspective, Aleppo pepper is a master of timing. Sweetness arrives first, then warmth, then depth, then calm. This makes it especially useful in vegetable dishes, legumes, grains, and eggs. It lifts bland foods without disguising them. In modern global kitchens, Aleppo pepper has gained popularity as chefs search for complexity without brutality. It replaces chili flakes, paprika, and sometimes even black pepper. Unlike aggressive chilies, Aleppo pepper encourages layering. You can add it early for depth or late for aroma. It works both ways. Visually, Aleppo pepper is dark red, slightly glossy, and irregularly flaked. It looks rich rather than sharp. This visual softness mirrors its flavor behavior. One mistake people make is substituting Aleppo pepper with chili flakes. This fails. Chili flakes bring heat without sweetness. Aleppo pepper brings warmth with context. Another mistake is overheating it. Aleppo pepper should not be fried aggressively. Gentle warmth preserves its fruity notes. Storage matters. Because it contains oil, Aleppo pepper should be kept airtight, away from light and heat. Fresh Aleppo pepper smells almost jammy. Old Aleppo pepper smells flat. Culturally, Aleppo pepper represents culinary maturity. It signals confidence. You are not trying to prove toughness. You are building flavor. In a food culture obsessed with extremes, Aleppo pepper stands quietly in the middle. Balanced, ancient, effective. It does not dominate the dish. It completes it. Aleppo pepper is not about heat. It is about understanding heat.